Hi guys, Gavin here. We've gone through some device refresh metrics already, but what I wanted to highlight is that you can configure the scatter chart to be really any metric that you deem. So we've got some other examples where there's battery health, and let's look at available disk space. So here we can see a couple of devices at really low battery performance, and obviously that's quite impactful from an end user perspective, where I have to take around my power supply because the battery only lasts for 20 minutes or so. So that is how you would then start to say really identify the outliers across your estate, so you can then address them. Another view is obviously we do score all of the metrics around a device. So we can look in here, we can see the battery health of a device, we can see how much power it's being consumed. So that kind of speaks to the sustainability data that we're investigating. But then things like available disk space. So we know if a device is getting low, a user potentially is going to have issues saving data at some point in the not too distant future. But more impactfully, there's potential issues around compliance because I won't be able to install the updates that's needed on that device. So using all this information, we can then start to process, do we need to replace this device, or do we park it? So if we go and review this and say, for now, I think we're okay, but I'm going to come back to it and I want to be notified in a month's time about this device. So we've marked that as reviewed. I can now go and I see all of the review data that I have. So I now have the review data here that I could investigate and then see more about this device.